or you don't pretend to stop. If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. My name is Janlock Arcodemos from BSMT1 Section Dubay. So tonight, we will be talking about the free surface effect in the cargo liquefaction. The free surface effect and cargo liquefaction are both serious stability concerns in maritime transportation, especially for bulk carriers. When we talk about the free surface effect, the free surface effects occurs when liquid, cargo, or partially filled tanks shift due to vessel's motion. This movement reduces the ship's stability by shifting the center of the gravity. When the ship lists, or when we talk about list, it talks about ship inclined due to internal forces such as of the liquid the liquid moves toward the lower side, increasing the list. The center of gravity shifts in the same direction, making it harder to ship to recover. The effect of more severe with large shallow tanks increase the transverse moment in inertia and reducing metacentric height. In extreme cases, the ship may capsize if stability is lost. So, ang bot pasabot day ani, kung ang center of the gravity is ma-shift sa same direction, maglisod og recover ang ship para mobalik siya sa iyang stable condition. If ever ingani ang mahitabo sa ship, mura siya nagtakilid. Kung si center of gravity mo shift sa same direction, making it harder to recover. The effect is more severe with large shallow tanks, increasing the transfer moment of inertia and reducing metacentric height. In extreme cases, the ship may capsize if stability is lost. So, kung dili ma-recover directly ang ship itself will be capsizing. And kung makapsize ni siya and magpadayon ang center of gravity nga mo above the metacenter, meaning ani pwede malunod ang barko. Next, cargo liquefaction. Cargo liquefaction occurs when solid bulk cargo, iron, ore, fines, nickel ore, bauxite, contains excess moisture and transform into a liquid-like state due to ship vibration of end motion. When the ship lists, again, when we talk about list, it is the ship is inclined due to internal forces such as off or center weight. The liquefied cargo flows the lower side, amplifying the list. Unlike free surface effect, the cargo does not return to original position, keeping the ship in a tilted position. The ship may suffer progressive heeling, leading to rapid capsizing. If cargo settles unevenly, it may cause sudden shifts, making recovery too difficult. So, ang liquefied cargo or the cargo liquefaction is medyo mas lisod siya compared to free surface effect. Okay, unlike free surface effect, cargo does not return to original position, keeping in the ship is in tilted position, meaning mas kung ang liquid nga naa sa ship itself, kung siya ang murag mo kita iktakilid sa shape nga na nya mudong sa dani ang liquid, meaning nga na mas bugat ani nga side og lisod na siya iana balik or lisod na i-rolling kay murag daghan na ang napundo ani nga side. Then ang ship is mag-suffer siya samot, meaning nga na mura siya ganang maglisod na jud og ganang kuan recover kay lisod na kay daghan na ang forces nga naipon. Unlike sa free surface effect, maana siya pero dili pudingon nga dugay maana. dugay siya mas stable. Dali na siya mas stable, I mean slow siya mas stable, pero ang liquefactor, ang cargo liquefaction is ganang